Physics instructors all agree that in order for students to learn physics, they have to work problems. At Expert TA, we're committed to helping students learn by keeping them focused on the physics. We know students are under a lot of pressure to succeed, and sometimes distractions such as poor content, lack of feedback, and access to problem solutions tempt students to take shortcuts. It's obvious when this happens because instructors see a very narrow distribution of grades and/or the grades do not correlate with offline test scores. At Expert TA, we've addressed those issues head-on with our independent library of problems. We've focused on constructing a single, large, high-quality independent library that works well with any textbook you use. Problems, like the one you see here, originate from our authoring team, which is made up of more than 30 problem authors, each bringing a unique perspective and a deep level of experience. They are educators first and foremost, and they know firsthand how the right touch of hints and feedback at just the right time can help develop students' problem-solving skills. Once problems are created, they're reviewed several times by an additional set of PhD instructors before even making an appearance in our library. And once they're put into use, we use Expert TA Analytics to collect data about how students are interacting with the problems. We then use this information, along with suggestions from our users, to refine the problems further. And finally, we protect the solutions to our problems using several strategies. In addition to including features inside Expert TA, we also work with online companies that post problem solutions to keep the answers to our problems off their sites. And it's working. With Expert TA, instructors have seen a much stronger correlation between homework and test grades, and the grades are widely distributed across the scale. Let's look at a few case study results from real Expert TA users. Here's an algebra-based course that used Expert TA in fall 2014. You can see that there's a nice distribution of A's, B's, C's, and lower grades. This is what you would expect to see when looking at a class like this. In another case study, we looked at a calculus-based class with 160 students. The class instructor had previously used other systems and found that students were getting all A's on their homework, but were not doing nearly as well on their tests and quizzes. While using Expert TA, he produced this graph comparing his homework and test scores. The R value, or correlation value, of 0.75 was evidence that students were in fact working through the problems. It was clear that Expert TA was keeping students focused on the physics. There are several more examples like this from Expert TA users. If you'd like to know more about our independent library, visit our website at www.theexpertta.com or email us at main@theexpertta.com. We'll put you in touch with a representative that can answer any questions you have and even connect you with instructors using Expert TA so you can learn firsthand about their experiences.